Welcome back. Now we are going to the sixth numerical in the first exercise of some applications of trigonometry. The question is, a 1.5-meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So first we will draw the diagram. Whenever we draw the diagram, the numerical becomes easy for us to solve. So let's say this is the boy and this is the building. So I have the boy in the building. Boy is 1.5 meters and the building is 30 meters, which means from the top of the boy's head to the top of the building, how much is this height? This height will be 30 minus 1.5, that is 28.5 meters. This is 28.5 meters. What I'm marking in red, correct? Because boy is already 1.5 meters. Total building is 30 meters. So from here, the boy is looking at it, which means he's looking at a height of 28.5 meters. Now, what is the angle formed? The angle formed is 30 degrees. Now the boy starts walking. Let's say he starts walking. This is point A. He walks and he reaches point B. At point B, this angle formed is now 60 degrees. They're asking us what is the distance he has covered. We'll call the distance as x1. So from point A to point B, what is the distance? That is the question. Total distance, we will take it as x. And from B to the building, we'll take it as x2. Which means what I'm going to do is I'm going to first find the total distance, which means I'm going to consider this 28.5 meters height. This angle is 30 degrees. I will get this distance x. First, I will do this. Then I will get x2 distance. From x and x2, I can get x1, the distance that has been walked. So first we will get x, then we will look into that. So to get x, remember, this is opposite and this is the base. Which trigonometric function relates opposite and base? It is tan. So I can use tan. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent or base. Now here it's 30 degrees. So tan of 30 degrees is equal to 28.5 divided by base x. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by x. Remember, tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Cross multiply, you will get x. X is 28.5 into root 3 meters. This is the value of x, which means this was the initial distance between boy and building. Now what the boy is doing? The boy is walking a particular distance x1. Because he walks a particular distance x1, now the angle formed is 60 degrees. So I will take the next triangle. Angle formed is 60 degrees. This distance is x2. Now new distance between the boy and the building is x2. Height is the same, 28.5 meters. Again opposite and base. Again I can use tan. So tan 60 degrees is equal to 28.5 by x2. Now tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 28.5 by x2. Remember, tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Again cross multiply, I got x2 28.5 by root 3. This 28.5 by root 3, I need it in the form of 3. So what I can do is, I can write it as 9.5 into 3. 28.5 is 9.5 into 3, correct? 9.5 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 9s are 27. Plus 1, 28.5. So I'll write x2 as 9.5 into 3 divided by root 3. Now we all know how to write 3, 9.5 into root 3 into root 3. Number of times we did. 3 is root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. Now here you will notice 1 root 3 will get cancelled. X2 is 9.5 root 3 meters. This is my x2, which means initial distance x I have, final distance x2 I have. How much did the boy walk? X1. So from this diagram you understand x is x1 plus x2, correct? This plus this is the total distance x. So x is x1 plus x2. Now x I have is 28.5, x2 is 9.5. So 28.5 root 3 is x1 plus 9.5 root 3 meters. Bring 9.5 on the other side, it will become minus. So 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3 is the distance the boy has walked, x1. Your root 3 is common. You're left out with 28.5 minus 9.5. 28.5 minus 9.5 is 19. You can check that. I'll write it here. 28.5 minus 9.5. 550. Here carry 1. 18. 18 minus 9. 9. 1 remains as it is. So it's 19. So 19 root 3 is equal to x1. Therefore, distance walked by boy is 19 root 3 meters. This is the distance. So very simple. First you draw the triangle with 30-degree angle. Now remember the boy's height is 1.5 meter, tower is 30 meter, which means from the top of the boy's head to the top of the tower is only 28.5 meter. 30 minus 1.5, 28.5 meter. So opposite is 28.5 meter. The initial distance, that is the base. How to relate opposite and base? Tan theta. So tan 30 degrees is equal to 28.5 by x, or 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by x. You got x 28.5 into root 3. Now the boy has walked such that the new angle formed is 60 degrees. So tan 60 is 28.5 by x2, or tan 60 is root 3. So x2 is 28.5 by root 3. Now that root 3 I want to remove in the denominator. So what I'll do is 28.5 I can write as 9.5 into 3. 3 is root 3 into the root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. I have 9.5 root 3. So the new distance is 9.5. The initial distance is 28.5 root 3. Now what is the distance that he has covered? That is x1. X is x1 plus x2. So subtract the 2. Root 3 is common. 28.5 minus 9.5 is 19 root 3. So the distance walked by the boy is 19 root 3 meters.